cars and many people who is well educated. In other words, we are living in a very beautiful and modern place. But
I wish just looking so good. I wish they had thrown the waste in the garden in the street, the place they wanted. And also I wish they had recycled the preferred things. For our either inherent habits or crude contribution due to growth.
I wish we would recycle all waste and they be thrown in the future. If we still do this, our descendants will live like this then. Our future will be full of land degradation and full of memories. I want just only one thing, that is, I wish you stop doing this and let protect nature.
Okay. What about thinking about this video? Who wants to answer the question? Okay, your team, please.
Pollution,
Please stand up.
waste and pollution, environmental topics.
Good. Okay. What do you think, Katana? What about
As for me, when I watch this video, this is very concerned about the nature. Even we are living in a modern city, there's many problems, and in Mongolia, the trash is the biggest problem of our country.
Yes. Okay. Your group, what do you think? Gitte? How do you feel? How do you feel?
I felt very worried about the environment, and it's about land degradation, waste, and it's about pollution.
Yes, that's correct. Very good. Okay. Next group, Satish, please. What can you do for your country's environment? What do you think?
And I wish our country people do recycling and don't throw trash in streets.
Yes, agree. Okay. What are the girls' wishes? Can you listen? Okay, what wishes, Anaba? They two girls, what are their girls' wishes? Can you listen?
Do you have an idea?
Yeah?
Stopping wrong activities for nature.
Yes, that's correct. Okay. Today we will learn. What about we will learn? What do you think? Do you have any idea? Yes, today we will learn environment problem. Okay, very good. Okay, unit 7, the green world. And lesson 4, save our earth. What does it mean save? What does it mean save? Yes, mother. Okay, that's good. Okay, please write today's topic and objective. Please write, you have a worksheet. Please write on the worksheet today's lessons. Okay? And okay, step 1. What's related to earth problems? Do you know earth problems?
Yes.
What kind of words do you know? Please tell me. Okay, please raise your hand. Okay?
Global warming,
Yes, very good. Global warming. Other? Okay?
Deforestation.
Deforestation. That's correct. Okay?
Climate change.
Yes, climate change.
Land degradation.
Please again.
Land degradation.
Yes, land degradation. Okay? This is earth problems. For example, deforestation, climate change, waste. Okay, deforestation, how to explain in English? Who wants to explain? Meaning, definition. Deforestation. Please tell me. Okay, Nara?
There are no trees
explain in English? That's meaning. Do you have any idea? How explain in English?
This
Okay?
change, our world is changed day by day, and climate change means like, and it's become winter is earlier than it should happen. It means like climate change.
That's correct. West. Who wants to explain in English? Ambo, please. West. It means?
Unnecessary things people throw out.
Yes, rubbish. Okay, that's correct. Okay, very good. Okay, today let's plant tree. You have a little tree. If you did something well, please put on the pot. Okay? Okay, now please, everyone, please, only one trees, put on the pot. Okay, and after this, let's count how many trees did you grow. Okay. Okay, now please exercise activity 3. First, let's try to do yourself. This is definition and you what? Please match. Just 3 minutes, okay? Just 3 minutes. Okay, just 3 minutes. And then please match, put on the bar. Okay, this is definition. If you finish, please put on the bar. Let's check answer, okay? Please we find the under the problems and next to the issues. Okay? Next to the words. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, let's learn new vocabulary now. Deforestation. Deforestation. Okay, please tell me. Deforestation. Deforestation. Okay, that's correct. Pollution. 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 Okay, please write down on your worksheet meaning. Yeah? Okay, pollution. Pollution. Good. Climate change. Climate change. Climate change. Climate change. Overpopulation. 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 Okay, good. There are too many people living in a particular place. Okay, that's correct. Overpopulation. Globalization. need switch region. That's correct. Desertification.
Desertification.
That's correct. Extinction of plants and animals. Good. Energy.
Energy.
That's correct. Okay. Now some words is very difficult pronunciation. So let's practice, okay? Deforestation.
Deforestation.
Desertification.
Desertification.
Degradation.
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 Desertification.
Desertification.
Deforestation.
Deforestation.
Okay, now more quickly. Deforestation, desertification, degradation, degradation, desertification, deforestation. Okay?
Deforestation. Desertification. Degradation. Degradation. Desertification. Deforestation. Deforestation. Desertification. Degradation. Degradation. Desertification. Deforestation.
Okay. First group, please.
Deforestation. Desertification. Degradation. Degradation. Desertification. Deforestation.
Good. Okay, your second group.
Deforestation. Desertification. Degradation. Degradation. Desertification. Deforestation.
Good. Okay, third group.
Deforestation. Desertification. Degradation. Degradation. Desertification. Deforestation.
Okay, your group.
Deforestation. Desertification. Degradation. Degradation. Desertification. Deforestation.
Okay, very good, students. Okay, thank you. Okay, now let's step 2. Step 2. Okay, today we will learn structure, wish possible and wish past perfect. Do you know this word, wish?
Yes.
Okay, first let's try to do yourself. Okay, every group has exercise. Every group has words. Please unjumble the words first. And then every student will be matched the worksheet. Okay, then match the picture. Which sentence, which picture related? Please match the picture. Every okay, please, if you finish, please put on. Which picture related to the art? Please guess. Can you see the 3 words? Yes. Team for please again push the words. Some words didn't see. I didn't see some words. Please again show the word. Maybe under the picture. I think so. Maybe please put under the picture. Okay. Okay. Now let's check. Okay. First, please read. First picture. Please read your sentence.
We wish we could.
Okay, please 1, 2, 3, all together.
We wish we get our country to be cleaned.
Okay, that's correct. What do you think? Okay, next. Then we will check. Second group, please read your sentence.
We wish we planted plenty of trees in the country.
Okay. Third group, please read your sentence.
We wish we hadn't produced our city.
Okay. Next.
We wish we hadn't cut trees.
Okay, very good. Now let's check answer. Okay, first, we wish we hadn't cut trees. Okay. Okay, past. Past. Regret. Present. Wish. That's correct. Present wish. Okay. Do you understand this structure? For example, first picture. How translated in Bengali? Who wants to translate this sentence? This is past regret. Who wants to explain? Okay, Anupal, please translate. Yes, but they have already cut the trees. Now they regret. Okay. Next sentence. Who wants to translate this picture? Okay, Nara, please. Very good, your team. Okay. What is this? Wishes or regret? Wishes. They have a lot of trees, but they want to grow trees. Okay. What is different? When we will use past simple, wish past simple, when we will use wish past perfect? Who wants to describe this difference? What do you think? When we will use wish past simple? Okay, and then now please.
We will talking about our passion and talking about our wishes and it has not. I have not. In this recent time, I will use the present wishes.
Yes, present wishes. I have to do possible. It's possible, okay? And past perfect. Who wants to say? Okay?
Past perfect, past regret.
Okay, please.
Past regret means we had no chance to correct our mistakes.
Yes, I have already done. Yeah, it's impossible. Okay, good. Now, please note, please write on their worksheet. Did you write? Okay. Okay, next. Okay, now let's discuss, let's speak, okay? Okay, for example, one student, we saw a lot of waste in the street. One student saying, for example, but other students express their wish. We wish we hadn't thrown waste in the streets. Someone say opinion, someone say wish. Okay? For example, I forgot to water my plant, so the plant didn't grow. Okay, your group, please express your wish. Okay, please again. I
Wish I had watered my plant.
I wish
I watered my plant.
I forget water my plant, so plant didn't grow. Okay, so I wish
I had watered my plant.
hadn't forget. Now what you said? Well done. Okay, now please raise your hand and let's hurry up. Okay, next sentence. Okay, which group? Please say. Express wishes. The local people used too much cold last winter. Okay, how say? Okay, your group.
I wish people hadn't used too much coal last winter.
Yes, that's correct. Please grow sweet. Okay, next. She wants to throw bottles away in the street. She wants to throw bottles away in the street. Okay, your group.
I wish she throw the bottles. She didn't throw the bottles in the street.
Okay, some students, please think. She wants to throw bottles away in the street. She always throw waste in the street. But I think opposite wishes. Yeah, I have. Okay, please again.
I wish she didn't.
Yes, that's correct.
worthless way in the street.
Okay, cold class. Please, 1, 2, 3.
I wish she didn't throw us away in the street.
Okay, very good. I wish she didn't throw bottles
Away.
in the street. Okay? She didn't want. Okay, next. Okay, please hurry up. Which students use a lot of papers in the class? Okay, your group, please.
We wish students didn't use a lot of papers in the class.
Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, next. Please read.
They didn't turn off the lights this morning.
Okay, now express wish. Which group? They didn't turn off the lights this morning. Okay, your group.
I wish they hadn't turned off the
Yes, because this is past simple. Okay, past simple. Past regret. Okay, so again, please. 1, 2, 3.
I wish they had turned off the lights this morning.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, next word, last. Please read. Situation 6, please read.
The most of people drive a car.
Yes, well, now express wish.
I wish the most of people didn't drive a car.
Yes, that's correct. Very good. Okay, next, step 3. Please write and talk about earth issues and solution. Okay, now please choose solution. Okay, for example, deforestation, globalization, please your group. Please write solution, problems and solution. Okay. Next group, extinction, global warming. Please write. Okay. Next group, desertification, overpopulation. Please write. Your group, pollution, climate change. Okay. Please write on the blackboard. Okay. What is problems? What is solutions? Okay. Please discuss in group. Okay, let's discuss. What is the problem? What is the solution? For example, deforestation. Problems, cut down tree. Your solution. Everybody, every people hasn't cut the tree. Yeah. Okay, just 2 minutes. Please hurry up. Did you finish? Okay, if you have dictionary. Maybe help you. There are new words. Maybe you Maybe you can use this definition. Maybe you can use this definition. Okay? Maybe you can use this definition. Okay, did you finish? Yes. Okay, now please explain. Who is speaker in your room? Please write. And first please put on the bar. Then please count. Okay, please hurry up. That's the end of the time. Okay, one student please read problems. One student please read solution. Okay? One student please tell issue. Okay, please put on the board. Please put on the board. Yes. Put on the board and then please.
Next up.
Okay, please. Now please speak. Okay, now please, your group. Read. Okay, hurry. Please stand up. Okay? Good. Now please listen another groups, their solution and problem. Okay?
Our first problem issue was pollution.
Yes.
And problem, people use too many cars, which measures carbon dioxide, also dangerous to the liquid. Solution was, I wish people rode bikes instead of cars.
Good. Please take you. Sit down. Next group, please explain your solution, problems and solutions. Which is issues? Yes, precipitation and or population. Okay, what is problem?
Water spills in the air and then changes into sediment.
Okay, what is solution?
Plant trees and stop driving hard.
Good, thank you. Please sit down. Next group. What is your issue? Extension or the bottom? Okay, what is extension's problem? Good. What is solution? Okay, other students, please write down these solutions. Okay, very good. Next. What is your issues? Deforestation. Deforestation. Okay, what is deforestation's problem?
Cut down trees.
Okay, solution?
We wish we had cut trees.
Okay, next. Globalization.
Problems is too much problems because of too many people consuming.
Okay, that's correct. Very good. Please sit down. Okay, now let's It's the test. Please complete this sentence. Just 2 minutes, please. Please look at the worksheet. Activity 7 and completion. Complete the sentence. Today, what we will learn. Let's practice. Let's summarize. Only write one word, okay? Yeah. Deforestation, waste, overpopulation, extinction of animals, water scarcity. Okay, if you did finish, please raise your hand. Okay, good, good, very good. Wow, you are really hard. Okay. Fourth group, please, very good, excellent. This first group, very good. Excellent. Okay, let's check answer. One word is 1 point. Please take point yourself. For example, number 1, deforestation. Number 2, water scarcity. Number 3, waste. Number 4, extinction of animals. Number 5, overpopulation. Okay. Next, which is correct? Please, correct. Okay, please, on the worksheet, it do yourself on the worksheet. Next test. Which is the correct? Did you finish? Yes. Oh, really? Okay. Okay, some students, let's wait. Okay, who wants to answer the question? Who wants to say the key? Number 1. Who wants to say? Please tell. Number 1. Okay, we wish. Passport to express. Regret past or wishes present? Regret past. That's correct. Okay, number 2. Who wants it? Okay, so this. Yes, that's correct. B. That's correct. Hadn't thrown. Okay, number 3. Who wants it? Okay, I want to show. Very good.
My friend was to throw once away in the street. I wish my friend didn't throw waste in the street.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. It's good. Okay. Good job. Okay, thank you. Now, how many trees? How many points do you have? Okay, how many? 8. They grow 8 trees. Very good. Okay, your group, how many trees? 8. Correct. Very good. How many? 8. 8 trees. Okay. How many trees? 9 trees. 9 trees. Who is winner? What do you think? Which group? Okay, thank you. All the students participated very well. Okay, now please, how many points do you have? Please count the points on the worksheet. Last confusion test. For example, 1 is correct is 1 point. Okay, please count. And you have how many points taken? 8. If you take 8 points, how many percent? 100%. Do you have calculation? Yes. Okay, now please, your percent write on your hello card and then put on the evaluation bag. Okay? Please write under your percent. A, B, C, which one? Okay? Please write. And then homework. There are 3 kinds of homework, please choose. Okay? R, B, C. Choose homework, okay? Only one. This is homework. It's differentiation.